big romp? Can't you enjoy yourself a little?
What is there to enjoy?
Well, we're together for a start. Out and about, in nature, fresh air, good food.
Yeah, and dust and bugs and heat and all sorts of shit that seems to have it out for me.
Can't you just relax for once? Take a deep breath, take in the breeze.
Yeah, smells like manure and pollen, which I'm allergic to, I might add. Nature and I do not agree.
Well, I still love you, my little germaphobe.
Fucking mosquito, right in the eye!
Just ignore them. They bite me all the time. Do I make a huge scene?
Just don't understand. Why can't we go to a normal restaurant with normal people, where they have nice tables, good service, air conditioning?
Come on, it's time that you embrace your inner nature lover.
I will. In the car, on the way home.
Do you love me?
Come on, Gabby.
Do you?
What do you want, Gabby?
I want you to hug that tree.
Don't be silly.
It'll change your life.
I'll see you at home.
I promise that if you don't like it, then you'd never have to go to the park with me again.
Never.
Never, ever.
No picnics, no Shakespeare in the park, no open air concerts. Oh, and no nagging at home about me being on the PlayStation too much.
Cross my heart.
Okay. Let's do this then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of course.